Hello guys, welcome to this video, and in this video today we're going to learn about a concept in JavaScript known as higher order functions. Now, a higher order function is a function that one is able to return another function as a return value. Two, a higher order function is a function that uses another function as a parameter. Okay, all right, now let's create that function. Function higher order function. Okay, then let's say higher order func greetings, because I want this function to be the one that greets a users when they log into a system. So the first parameter that this higher order function is going to take is another function. So let's give this other function func, okay, as the first parameter. And then the second parameter, we are going to take in the array of names of these users. So I'll call it R. Okay, now inside this function, I would like us to loop through the names of these users. So I'll use the simple for loop to loop through the names of these users. Let I start from 0, and then I iterate through all the arrays. So I'll say r.length, and I'll increment the I. Now inside the for loop, I want to call this parameter here. So now this is where the essence of the higher function comes in, because a higher order function is a function that calls another function as a parameter and uses it in its execution. So let's call this function, which is a parameter. Then inside it, I want to pass this array. Okay, so I'll pass in this array and then find the elements from the array. Okay, now I'm done creating the higher order function. Now I want to create this func here, which will be later called by this function whenever we call it. Okay, you can see that I've created a function here, func, but I don't have where I'm calling it from or where it has been created. So let's create that function. So you can call it user greetings. These user greetings will take in a name as a parameter, because you have very many users, but in this case 3 users. Let's log those results and say hello. Okay, I'll add a consonant there, and then I'll have the name now. And then welcome. Or welcome back. Okay. Right. Now we have our function here, separate function known as user greetings that takes in a parameter of a name and then logs out a greeting that says hello, that specific name that we passed in, and then says welcome back. Okay, let's say you are logged out from your system and now you are logging back to your system. Okay, now let's do this. Now I want to call this function of higher order functions down here. So higher order functions. The function greetings. Then it has 2 parameters. The first one is a func. Now we want to use this user greetings as the argument here, or as the callback function. So user greetings, comma, and then it expects the second parameter, which is R. Now R this time around, I want us to use these usernames here as the array, okay? Because we want to loop through these usernames. So I'll say user names.
Okay, so this is how the logic is going to flow. Going to meet our first function, higher order functions, or that is higher order func greetings, which takes func and r as the parameters. Inside it, we have a loop that loops through this array, and then after it has found all the elements in the array, it uses them as a parameter of this function func. Now, what is the function func? Is these user greetings here, which takes name as the parameter. Now, in the first instance, our RI will be the first name of Silas, because now we want to use usernames here as the argument. So it will find Silas, okay? So it will come and put Silas in here, meaning Silas is the one that will be used here in the function of user greetings, okay? Then this func is the user greetings function. It will say, hello, Silas, welcome back. That's in the first iteration. In the second iteration, it will come and find the next name after looping through to be Catherine, okay? So it will come and put Catherine inside here, meaning our func, which was here, the real function that does the function, is this user greetings, okay? So it's going to execute it and say, hello, then the username, which is the name parameter is Catherine, and say welcome back. Okay, so let's run it and see whether the logic flows. All right, so as you can see here, we have 3 user greetings. Hello, Silas, welcome back. Hello, Catherine, welcome back. And hello, Cindy, welcome back. Now, we have used higher order functions in a way that we have used this higher order function to use 2 parameters, func and r. Func is the function that we have expressed down here, or that we have defined down here. This function takes in a parameter and outputs the statement, hello, name, welcome back. Now, name is the parameter of this user greetings function, okay? So as we come in here, this func takes in an array, which is this array that we are looping through here, okay? Hope it's understood. So higher order functions can be quite a challenge to understand at the first take, but I will challenge you to use this scenario and create another function by yourself and see how the logic of higher function works through. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you got some value from the video, and if you did, smash that like button and share to your friends, and remember to like and give it a comment so that I can know if there is any question that I can help to answer. Bye bye.